In this quick video, I'll show you how to mirror your iPhone on your Hisense Roku TV. This way, everything you see over here will be displayed there. Let's get started. So the first step is to take your remote control and you're going to press the home button. Then you're going to have access to this menu. Go down and select settings. Go down and we're going to select Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Wait a few seconds. You may have to wait even more seconds if it's the first time you're actually using this AirPlay feature of your Hisense TV. All right, perfect. Now over here, make sure AirPlay is turned on. Then over here you have require code. It will require a code the first time you're going to set up your phone, your iPhone with this TV, but for the next times, there won't be any code required. Okay, if you want, every time you connect an iPhone to your TV to require a code, you need to go over here, press OK, and select every time. All right, now I just went back. Let's go on the iPhone. So over here, all you have to do is to drag down from the top right corner this way. And then we need to find the screen mirroring icon. It's this one right over here. You see, it's like two rectangles. If you do not see this icon, it's possible, press the plus icon to add it over here. You'll be able to find it. So I'll press, wait, and your Hisense TV should be displayed in this list. These are all the TVs that are around you, so you may have to search for it. Mine is this 43-inch Hisense Roku TV. Now a code will be asked and the code will appear on the screen. So here it's 7765. Obviously yours will be different, so there's no point copying this. Press OK, and just like that, you see in just a few seconds, you'll be able to screen mirror. I can quit this, pressing anywhere on the screen. And depending how quick, how fast your internet is, well, you may have a lag or you may not have a lag. Over here, there is a slight lag, not a big one, but there is one. Simply because my Wi-Fi is not the quickest. Definitely it can get an improvement. This is what it is. Now, if you have apps that are using the phone on horizontal mode, say I'm on Safari, you can actually turn your phone and it will use most of the display. This is much more practical. You can zoom in and check stuff, and it will zoom in as well on this display. Very useful. When you're done and you don't want a screen mirror anymore, you just have to go to the same place. I'll drag down from the top right corner, click this icon that should be blue now because it's screen mirroring, and then press on your TV. It will switch off AirPlay and you'll be back on this display on your Hisense TV. Just press the home button, and thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, but also type a comment down below. See you.